mainit na pagtanggap sa bawat isa at maligayang pagbabalik tahanan. Welcome home, everybody. At this point, I would like to request the presence of our school principal, Sir Cyril E. Del Valle, together with Ma'am Christy L. Peña, the academic department head and head teacher 3, together with the president of the Faculty Association, Mrs. Wilma B. Maniago. All of these 3 are members of the Gawad Palihan ng Karangalan Selection and Adjudication Committees. Allow me to read the content of the certificate as appreciation to our honored guests this evening. Certificate of appreciation is awarded to our retired personal teachers. We will be welcoming them at the center, please. As you arrive, dito na po dumaan sa gitna. Tatawagin po namin ang inyong mga pangalan. Hayaan niyo muna pong basahin ko ang nilalaman ng mga sertipiko. Makakatanggap din po tayo sila ng token mula sa ating paaralan. In grateful recognition of your invaluable service and unwavering dedication and remarkable contribution to the growth and excellence of Magallanes National Vocational High School, your passion for teaching and commitment to shaping the minds and character of learners have left a lasting impact that continues to inspire generations. Your presence in the 2026 Grand Alumni Homecoming and the 55th founding anniversary greatly honors the institution as we celebrate the theme, One School, One Legacy, celebrating 55 years together. May this token serve as a symbol of our deep appreciation and sincere gratitude for your enduring legacy and the meaningful role you played in building a strong foundation for the school community. Given this 5th day of April 2026 at Magallanes National Vocational High School, Benisitahan del Norte, Magallanes, Sorsogon. Signed, Mr. Cyril E. Del Valle, School Principal 2. The certificate is awarded to Mr. Nestor A. De Vera, retired teacher. Let us all give a round of applause to Sir Nestor De Vera. Receiving the same certificate is Sir Eduardo Ayana Sr., retired personnel. Makatatanggap din ng parehong sertipiko ng pagpapahalaga si Ginang Wilma M. Lieno, retiradong guro ng pambansang mataas na paaralang bokasyonal ng Magallanes. Palapakan po natin. Sabay-sabay na lang po siguro for the photo op. Ginang Daisy L. Carrascal, Ginang Otela L. Gordon. Palapakan po natin. We also have with us Mrs. Erlinda N. Ruda. Kasama, masigabang palapakan, kasama din po natin siya ngayon. At the center, please, Ma'am Ruda. With us also is Sir Nestor, please, at gitna na po tayo naman. We also give the certificate of appreciation for the gift of presence and for being a wonderful part of this beautiful institution. Sir Nestor, please, at the center. Ma'am Maria Cheryl J. Bobier. Harapin na lang po, pag-picture. Sir, please stay. Pagka-receive po, please stay. Ma'am Lydia H. Garais. And we're also giving the certificate to Ma'am Lydia Garais and Ma'am Riza Rombawa Villaflor. The same certificate of appreciation is also extended to Ma'am Lesilda C. Babasa. our school principals, Ma'am Evangeline M. Datar. Palapakan naman natin, lalo na yung mga naabutan ng mga principal na itong kasama natin. Sir Alex A. Rodriguez. And of course, nandito kasama natin, Ginoong Marlon Antiano Abraham, former teacher and former principal of this institution. Palapakan naman po natin, Sir Marlon Abraham. Give appreciation to Ma'am Gloria M. Emberga, Sir Francisco H. Duquino, Sir Puyat, retired head teacher. We also give appreciation to Sir Domingo Lobendino, Sir Menghit. Lapakan po natin. As well, appreciation to Sir Felix C. Widem Jr. Sir Eday, good evening po and welcome. And of course, Sir Felix D. Ruda. Join the group, Ma'am Wilma. Let's have one photo opportunity for our retirees at the center, please. The center please. One close, one big. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga panauhin, ang ating mga retiradong guro at kawani ng pambansang mataas sa paaralang vokasyonal ng Magallanes. Isang masaya, maingay, masigabong palakpakan po para sa kanila. Let us move forward daw po. Dear former teachers and principals, know that the school stands strong today because of your vision, your dedication, and your commitment to our institution. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pagsasakripisyo sa paaralang ito na inyong ipinamana sa aming mga kasalukuyang naninilbihan bilang mga kawani ng paaralan. Mabuhay po kayo and congratulations. Thank you very much for gracing us in this very special occasion. Palapakan natin sa Sir Francisco H. Duquino. Yes! Kompleto ang ating masayang pamilya. Wow! Ma'am, please join. minamahal at iginagalang ng mga retiradong guro at kawani. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat din po sa pamunuan ng Magallanes Batanes National Vocational High School sa ilalim ng pamamahala, pamumuno ni Ginoong Cyril E. Del Valle sa pagkakataong itong iginawad sa ating mga retiradong guro.